November 13th, Kane County Courthouse, St. Charles. Abduction in the parking lot. They blocked the car in. ACE agents are entering the car. Do you have a judicial warrant? Where's your warrant? I'm asking you for a warrant. Where is your warrant? What is your name? You're not giving me your name. What is your badge number? You're refusing to give me your badge number. Where's your... You need a judicial warrant. You need a judicial warrant. You're refusing to give me your warrant.
Stay back.
We're staying back.
Just don't get close, okay?
We are staying back. Where is your warrant? You must have a warrant.
You have a right to remain silent.
You're required to give us your name. You're refusing to give us your name.
We need to see a warrant.
Where is a warrant?
What's your badge number? You're refusing to give a badge number. You're refusing to give a badge number.
9865.
What's your name? Where's your warrant? What is your name? Why won't you give us your name? You're required to give us your name. Where's your warrant? You're required to have a warrant. You do not have a warrant. Why are you refusing to show us a warrant? Where is your warrant? Show us the signed warrant. Show us your warrant. Why won't you give us your names? You're required to give us your names. You're refusing to give us a name. You're refusing to give us a badge number. Why won't you give us your name and badge number?
I'm gonna get a picture of this. 2567. Here's my badge number.
Where's your warrant?
2567.
Where's your
I
warrant?
just rammed one of our cars.
Where is your warrant? A signed
What's your
warrant.
name? Where's your signed warrant?
Where is your signed warrant?
We're still waiting on another guy that's coming down.
What are you doing? It's an empty car.
They took him. What's your name? What's your name? You're required to give us your name. Why are you refusing to give us your name?
Thursday, November 13th, 2025, Kane County Courthouse.
Refusing to give a name, refusing to show a warrant.
What is your name, officer?
Confirmed abduction, November 13th, Kane County Courthouse, St. Charles, Illinois. Refused to show a signed warrant. Refused to give any names.
We'll be flashing that. Yes.
Where is your body cam? Where?
Yeah.
You know what you're doing is not legal. Where is your body cam? Officer. Why are you giving me empty questions?
Be careful out here, sir. You don't want to.
And where are your body cams?
Why won't you show us a warrant? Why won't you give us your names?
You're legally obligated to have body cams. He knows it.
Why won't you give us your names?
That's the ice right there. That's